Welcome. If you want to get iOS Launcher on your Alcatel One 2019, for the first you have to go for the Play Store. After that you have to tap on Search Pool and type here iOS Launcher. We have to get this application from the Lutin developer. Click Open. Accept permissions and click on the Home button. Right now you have to select iOS Launcher. Click as always. Let's confirm these notifications, and right now we are able to use our Alcatel One 2019 with iOS layout. Here we can able to edit widgets, and we can also edit the home screen icons. And when you go back to the application, you can find here other things that we can customize. For example, we can change the blur effects, animation, or change icons, whatever you want. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!